I'm Rob, a director of Tree Coach. I've been a commercial landscaper for 43 years. I just was out working one day. I was ramming a stake and I was just exhausted, and I rang my brother and I said, I think there's a better way. It started out as sketches. We involved the other staff with it, and then slowly but surely we just kept developing and working through R&D to get where we are today with a recycled product that's fantastic for the contractor and the trees.
So the old way of tree planting, they would use hardwood stakes, which typically can weigh around 3.5 kilos or higher, and you would take a heavy rammer and that would actually be used to ram the stake into the ground. Now with Tree Coach, each stake weighs under a kilo. The watering bowl itself, in two halves joined, weighs slightly over a kilo. So we've got massive rate reduction, and we've removed the need for any ramming whatsoever. So it is far lighter on the body. So it's just a matter of excavating the hole like you normally would. You put the Tree Coach unit together by hand. The Tree Coach is placed in, the tree's placed in the hole at the right level, and it's a matter of backfilling, tie off, and the tree's complete. We've removed all the need for that heavy manual labour.
In the past, we obviously put the trees in, and then obviously you've got to go back and you've got to ram in the stakes, which are very heavy. You know, weighs 15 kilos, so the guys were all up banging and so forth. So using the Tree Coach for the first time, I realised how much easier it was to start. It wasn't heavy. Tree Coach is also easy to dismantle rather than the old way. And the great thing about it is that once I planted the tree, and I'd done a few trees, I looked back and there was no staking to do. It was all done.
Tree Coach is manufactured here in Dandenong. The design was done in-house. The fact that it actually develops the tree correctly, it's a win for the community, for the tree growing and growing well in its environment. We've sought advice from arborists and just people in the field to make sure we had a product at the end that was very reliable and trustworthy for everyone involved in it.
Tree Coach has been used by over 25 councils here in Victoria and over 100 councils across Australia and New Zealand.
Working for Tree Coach and installing trees, it's made me proud that we've innovated something that's better for the worker, better for the tree, and everyone goes home happy.